Microsoft Azure Security is a comprehensive suite of cloud-based security services that helps you protect your data, applications, and infrastructure from cyber attacks. Azure Security provides a wide range of security features, including 1. Threat protection. Azure Security helps you identify and protect against threats, such as malware, phishing, and ransomware. 2. Vulnerability management. Azure Security helps you identify and remediate vulnerabilities in your systems and applications. 3. Identity and access management. Azure Security helps you manage access to your resources and control who can do what. 4. Data protection. Azure Security helps you protect your data from unauthorized access, modification, or disclosure. 5. Compliance. Azure Security helps you comply with industry regulations and standards. 6. Incident response. Azure Security helps you respond to security incidents quickly and effectively. Azure Security is a cloud-native security platform that is designed to scale with your organization's needs. It is also a highly customizable platform that can be tailored to your specific security requirements. Benefits of using Azure Security. There are many benefits to using Azure Security, including 1. Reduced risk of cyber attacks. Azure Security helps you identify and protect against threats, which can help to reduce your risk of cyber attacks. 2. Improved compliance. Azure Security helps you comply with industry regulations and standards, which can help to avoid fines and penalties. 3. Reduced costs. Azure Security can help you to save money by automating security tasks and reducing the need for manual intervention. 4. Simplified security management. Azure Security is a cloud-native platform that is easy to manage and use. Who should use Azure Security? Azure Security is a good option for organizations of all sizes that are looking to improve their security posture. It is particularly well suited for organizations that are using Azure to host their applications and data. How to get started with Azure Security? To get started with Azure Security, you can sign up for a free trial. You can also learn more about Azure Security by visiting the Azure Security documentation website. Thanks for watching.